Our proposal doesn't comply with the requirement for each councillor to represent roughly the same number of people, with councillors in Te Aroha representing slightly less people than the Matamata and Morrinsville councillors. One way we could address this imbalance could be to change the number of councillors. For example, we could add an extra councillor in Matamata, keeping Morrinsville and Te Aroha the same, and this would comply with the rules. We could also remove a councillor from each of the wards in our district, which would also balance the representation a little more. However, this would mean decision-making is less robust, with fewer views represented around the table. It's important to note that changing the number of councillors does not cost the ratepayer any more or less money, as the total salary pool remains the same regardless of how many councillors there are. It's just divided up between more or less people. We think what we are proposing, to have 12 councillors plus a mayor, is the best way to make sure everyone is fairly and effectively represented in our district. You can play with the interactive tool below to increase or decrease the number of councillors and find out whether or not your options would comply with our rules.